Just a quick video today looking at this GF-07 device. It's a quick video because I need to just explain a few things and whether you should buy it or not. So I bought two of these quite recently and it is advertised as a GPS tracker. What you've got is a micro USB port there, take the cap off, SIM card slot, and just above that there is a micro SD card slot. And the idea is put the SIM card in, put micro SD card in, and it acts as a GPS tracker. The USB port can be used to charge it, but also used to mount it as a USB drive on a computer. So I bought this in the hope of using it as a GPS tracker, either on a vehicle because there's two magnets there, or on a pet, just as a little bit of a safety device, or to find out what your pet's up to during the day whilst you're at work. Much to my disappointment, this isn't a GPS device. It's advertised across Amazon, eBay, AliExpress. I bought two of mine from AliExpress. They're advertised as a GPS device. And as you can see, it says GPS on the cover. So what you actually get in the pack is a micro USB cable, some instructions, and the GPS device. That was all about £6 or £7, so quite cheap. Maybe I was expecting a bit too much for that sort of price. But either way, I still expect, if it's advertised and says GPS, it contains GPS. So the instructions are in Chinese and English. And the idea is you put your SIM card in, you register it with your phone. These are your instructions. Have a little read if you want. And then you can text various numbers. So you can text, I think it's, let's have a look. You can text 777 and it will give you a location, but that location isn't GPS. So what it does is, this is a GSM and GPRS device. So it only works on 2G networks. And what it'll do is, it will give you your location based on the cell tower location. So if, in my case, my nearest 2G cell tower is probably around about maybe 2 kilometers away. In which case it then tells you that my location is 2 kilometers away, which is absolutely no use at all if you're looking for a good, accurate tracker. You want it to be tracking within 5 or 10 meters at most, but 2 kilometers away is absolutely useless for me. And it is because it does not contain any GPS hardware. So I bought two of them and I took one apart. So as you can see, that's the side with the magnets. And they do stick, so the magnets work. They're not particularly strong, but I imagine they'll do a job. And inside, what we've got here is, there is a battery, totally unlabelled, so no idea on capacity. Does have some battery protection on it. And we've got the micro USB, SIM card, micro SD card slots, the antenna, which goes to the antenna just on the inside, whether you can see it or not. And underneath the primary chip is a MediaTek 6261. There is no GPS hardware in this device, so do not buy it thinking that you're going to get GPS tracking or accurate GPS tracking. Your tracking is going to be as close as your local 2G cell tower based on whatever your operator is. In my case, absolutely useless. So there you go, just a quick video to show you what we've got in the box, and it's useless. So I actually got a refund for the two devices that I bought because they are advertised as GPS, but there's no GPS. So if you want GPS, do not buy the GF-07 device off any retailers online. It's a total waste of time, absolutely useless. And we'll leave that one there.